29th edition of Drive Chat. It's an opportunity that we use to engage with industry specialists and industry experts. Today, we're fortunate enough to sit with the AA, the Automobile Association of South Africa, and we have with us Eleanor Mvimbela, who is the AA spokesperson. Eleanor, please do join us and let's just talk about the Easter campaign. Hi there.
Good afternoon, Eugene.
Nice to have you with us.
Hi.
Thank you very much. Just a short intro about yourself, and then we can go into the meat of the subject.
As you've introduced myself, my name is Eleanor Mavimbela, and I'm the spokesperson for the Automobile Association. I've been with the organization for a couple of years now, and I love the role that I get to occupy at this present moment. I'm the first female spokesperson for the Automobile Association in its 90-year history, so there's something to talk about, and I'm excited to talk about road safety and advocate for road safety on South African roads.
Thank you very much. I think I've shared this with you before. I've known every previous spokesperson for the AA in the last 25 years, and I'm glad that we've got a female finally that can talk some sense into it, and we hope to see a change. So let's kick off our discussion. As the representative of the Automobile Association of South Africa, can you just help us understand why you chose the Department of Community Safety, Roads and Transport for the Free State in order to develop this Easter campaign?
Well, this was a natural alignment for us, Eugene. As you might know, the Easter period in South Africa is one that attracts high traffic volumes on South African roads. And the N1 going through the Free State is one such road, one such corridor that attracts quite a lot of traffic going from Gauteng through the Free State to other provinces as well as to our neighbors, Lesotho. So for us, because we have the same goal in mind in terms of saving lives on our roads, it was a natural alignment for us to partner with the Department of Community Safety, Roads and Transport in the Free State.
Thank you. You know, I travel that road frequently, probably 3 times a year, and very little presence or reminders of road safety. So thank you in anticipation for making a difference in the future. Share with us, please, what value does the Automobile Association bring to the safety initiatives during this period? What are your plans?
Eugene, as you might know, you've known the AA for quite a number of years now. AA has been at the forefront of road advocacy for 90 years plus. And for us, it means that we get to put the road safety advocacy that we talk about into practical, into a practical version, basically. So what travelers can expect is that the AA will be traveling with travelers from the Gauteng province going into the Free State and assisting with road safety along the road. So if you get a puncture or you need assistance with your battery, the AA will be there. We'll also be providing flatbeds to be able to tow cars that need extra repairs that we can't provide on the side of the road. So we've also partnered with a couple of stakeholders, Master Drive included, to have an activation from the 17th to the 18th at the Shell Ultra in Kroonstad, and that is it's a pertinent place because it's at the 200-kilometer mark from the Gauteng province to the Free State, which is what is recommended for travelers traveling a long distance to rest every 200 kilometers. So lots happening that weekend. They can follow our social media platforms to get more details with regards to that.
Thank you. Now, I know over the years I've watched different messages with regard to road safety, one of which I remember clearly, and I can't tell you who it was, but there was an aeroplane towing a sign that says, don't drink and drive. However, what about the people who took their eyes off the road? So what are the practical initiatives that you can talk to that will make a difference during our holiday travels?
One pertinent message that we are pushing throughout this Easter period is get home safe. So practical, we're teaching, we're trying to change or influence driver behavior, pedestrian behavior. So we want everybody who's on the road during this Easter period to take responsibility, get home safe, whether you're using public transport, whether you are driving, whether you are walking from one point to another, get home safe. So what we're trying to drive throughout this Easter period is practical example in terms of don't drink or walk drunk. So also take care of your car. Vehicle roadworthiness is important. Also, take a rest. Fatigue is one of the leading drivers in terms of road safety, road fatalities in South Africa. So those are the number of practical messages that we are preaching throughout this Easter period. But one pertinent one is get home safe.
Thank you for that. And I think it's a really nice message that we can share with people because, as you know, pedestrians are part of the fatalities that we face. So it doesn't matter whether you're a road user, as a pedestrian, a cyclist, or a motorist. Just let's talk for a few moments about what aspects of driver behavior, because the experts tell us, of which you're one of them, that the greater percentage of fatalities and crashes are as a result of driver behavior. 94% is the figure I've had. So what aspects of driver behavior do you particularly want to focus during this campaign?
The first one that we particularly want to focus on is driver fatigue. And we've seen over the festive season, the increased number of fatalities that we saw over the festive season. A huge chunk of it was caused by drivers driving while they are tired and not taking time to rest. Hence, as the Automobile Association, we saw it important that we teach and try to drive home the message that actually driving while you are tired or even distracted is as dangerous as driving under the influence of alcohol. That's the part that people don't understand. You need to take a rest, especially for public drivers who drive public transport, your minibus taxis, your bus drivers. They need to take rest. Every 200 kilometers, you need to take a rest. And rest doesn't just mean going into the shop, getting a bottle of water, and then that's your rest. You need to take time out, stretch your legs, refresh your brain so that you can get behind the wheel. So that's one of the biggest practical advices that we're trying to drive home with this Easter season, to say that you need to take rest. Get home safe, take a rest, and get yourself home safe by taking enough rest along the way, along your route. And planning your route is important. I mean, we see a lot of long distance drivers who don't plan their routes. Hence, they don't know where they should or cannot take a rest during their long distance driving.
Can I maybe just tease the viewers with two other things that you will be doing then? I know we partnering on one of them to convince people to wear seatbelts, because I can't believe in today's world that people don't, and then distracted while driving. So we're not going to say anything more about that for now, but we will be able to pick up on that later. Last question to you. Looking beyond this event that takes place at Easter, give us some idea of the broader aspects of the Automobile Association's activities regarding road safety in the months ahead.
As the Automobile Association, we are a stern believer that driver behavior is something that's not going to change overnight, and it's not going to change because of one campaign that we did over the Easter period. It takes everyday advocacy. And as the Automobile Association, we've been at the forefront of road safety advocacy for over 90 plus years, and continue to do so. And we plan to amplify our advocacy when it comes to road safety. Our goal is definitely to be part of reducing road safety fatalities in South Africa, and using as many avenues as possible, as well as engaging with stakeholders like Master-Drive, who can assist us to drive home the message to as many people in South Africa as possible. So definitely your viewers can look forward to that, is that we're definitely going to be amplifying the message, be amplifying the platforms that we use to be able to drive home the message.
Thank you very much for that, because I think it lends a nice perspective as to road safety. We know that the AAA, the Automobile Association, is an advocate for the motorist. So it's nice to see that motorists, or anybody who's listening in and viewing this, will be able to see that there's a strategy moving ahead. So I'm going to ask you one final question in 10 words or less. What is your parting message?
My parting message is, please get safe. Get home safe. Ensure, plan your route. Wear your seatbelt. Do not drive under the influence of alcohol.
With that, we say thank you to you, Eleanor and Vumvela, for joining us. We look forward to engaging with you further, and we know that there's going to be many opportunities for us to collaborate with you in improving safety on our roads. So with that, we'd like to say thank you to Eleanor and say goodbye to her until next time we meet, and let that not be by accident. Next time, we'll see you again.